Good morning, students. Today the topic is the problems regarding the rational number involving different properties. We have already discussed the different properties of rational number. 6 properties of rational number. 6 properties starting from closure to the distributive property. So the problems are asked in many ways from these properties. The question are asked in different ways. So we know the different properties, but in case of solve the problems, it may be difficult. So we have to know the ways how to solve the problem using these properties. Okay. Let the problem is 3/7 plus minus 6/11 plus minus 8/21 plus 5/22. Question is solve this problem. Okay. What is the solution? How can we solve this problem? So simply we can know this is the positive integer or the positive rational number. This is also positive. So we can add first the two positive rational numbers. Okay. LCM of 7 and 22, that is 154. The LCM of 7 and 22 is 154. 154 is divided by 7, which gives 22. 22 multiplied with 3, that is 66, plus 154 is divided by 22, that is 7. 7 is multiplied with 5, that is 35. So it gives 101. Gives 101. Okay. Divided by 154. Then the two negative rational numbers, minus 6/11 plus minus 8/21. So 11 and 21. LCM is 11 is multiplied with 21. That is 11 ones are 11, 1, carry 1, 11 twos are 22, 123, 231. So LCM is 231. 231 is divided by 11, that is 21. 21 is 6 minus 126 plus of minus 11 8 ja minus 88. Okay. So the result is 4 carry 1 minus 21 divided by 231. Okay. Then but the problem is not solved completely, because we can solve these two. Also these two are solved, but the final answer is 101 divided by 104 plus of minus 214 divided by 231. When we solve, we can get minus 125 divided by 462 divided by 462. You can solve, you can get this result. Okay, you can get this result, but it is but here no property is used. No property is used to solve. Yes or no? Here no property is used to solve, because we can simply add, for our simplicity, the positive rational numbers first, then the negative rational numbers, then we can add these two to get the final result. But no property is used. But if the question is in the form in this way, see, the question is in the form, solve it by using property of rational numbers. Property of rational numbers, then the previously solved is false or is not applicable, because here no property is used, but here we have to use the different property of rational number that we have already studied previously. Okay, so see how can I solve this problem. Okay, so minus 3 by 7 plus minus 6 upon 11 plus minus 8 upon 21 plus 5 upon 22. This is the question. Okay, this is the question. See the denominator side, all the fraction denominators, 7, 11, 21, 22. Okay. Is there a relation between 7 and 21? Is there a relation between 7 and 21? Yes, because 7 3 is 21. Okay. First step, you have to see that if the denominators are in the same multiplication table or not. Or okay, then 11 and 21, 11 and 22, 11 2 is 22. So you can close these rational numbers. You can close these rational numbers. Minus 3 upon 7 plus minus 8 upon 21. Okay. Okay. Then plus minus 6 upon 11 plus 5 upon 22. Okay. This is the associative property. This is the associative property. Associativity property. Because the order, let this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So A plus B plus C plus D is written as A plus C plus B plus D. So it is associative. It is associative in nature. For three rational number, we could write A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In the same way, A plus B plus C plus D is written as A plus C plus B plus D. This is the associative property. This is the associative property. Okay. See. So the first term is this. That is 21 is the LCM. 21 is divided by 7, that is 3, that is minus 9, plus 21 is divided by 21, that is 1. 1 is multiplied with minus 8, that is minus 8, plus this is in the bracket, plus LCM is 22, minus 12 plus 5. Okay, then minus 9 plus minus 8, that is minus 17 upon 21, minus 17 upon 21, plus minus 12 plus 5, that is minus 7 upon 22. Okay, so that is minus 17 upon 21 minus 7 upon 22. So the result is the LCM. What is the LCM? That is 462. 462. And the upper one is minus 125. You can solve the problem in this way. Okay, but using this property, there no property is used, but here the associative property is used. You have to write in this manner using associative property. You have to write. If you have not written this, the mark will be deducted. Okay. Another problem is minus 4 upon 5 is multiplied with 3 upon 7 is multiplied with 15 upon 17 is multiplied with minus 14 upon 9. 16, 15 upon 16. So by using different property of rational numbers, we can multiply this problem. Okay. See. Let this is A, this is B, this is C. So, according to the associative property, I can write minus 4 by minus 4 upon 5 is multiplied with 15 upon 16 is multiplied with 3 upon 7. Then the rest part is minus 14 by 9. I can write because A is multiplied with B is multiplied with C is equal to A is multiplied with B. So A is multiplied with C, A is multiplied with B for associativity. So here I write by using associativity. Okay. Then I can pair it. See, minus 4 by 5 is multiplied with 15 by 16. Then I can reverse the order. That is minus 14 upon 9 is multiplied with 3 upon 7. Reverse by the property of commutativity. Okay. By property of commutativity. That is A is multiplied with B is equal to B is multiplied with A. Okay. Okay. So by commutativity I can write this. Then bracket wise I can multiply. That is 5 16s are 80, 4 15s are minus 60, and minus 14 3s are minus 52. Okay. Sorry, 42. Minus 42 upon 63. When I can simplify this, that is 60 upon 80, that is 6 by 8, that is minus 3 upon 4. Minus 3 upon 4 is multiplied with, that is minus 6 by 9. That is minus 3 upon 4 is multiplied with minus 2 upon 3. Then 3 can cancel. That is minus 2 minus 2 upon 4. That is minus of 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2. That is 1 by 2. This is the answer. So in this way, by using the properties of rational number, you can solve this problem. Okay.